Hi guys, welcome back to another fun fair video. In this video we're here at Ocean Beach for the first time in a long time. We're going to take you for some on-ride POVs and everything in between. So first off, we're going to head over on the spinning coaster. Let's go. So guys, we're on Space, the Confolding Group Extreme. ever been on, and I've been on a couple. So yeah, I think we're gonna go on my first Huss breakdance. Now I've been on the breakdance Joker, which isn't a Huss, but that's still really good. So we're gonna see if this will give us some power. Can we just take some time to appreciate the artwork that's on this machine? I've never been on a Huss breakdance in my life, and I don't really know what to expect because I've heard they're really fast, and I think they're faster than Joker, so I just need to brace myself for this. So
arms and legs inside the car at all times.
This is your captain speaking. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
It's time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
honestly, I don't know what to expect. By the looks of this thing, it's a beat. So let's go.
When I say Augie, you say Oi. Augie.
Oi.
Augie.
Oi.
When I say Augie, you say Oi. Augie.
Oi.
Augie. Do you want to go faster? Say yeah.
Yeah.
Let me hear you scream for speed.
Wow.
I can't hear you scream. Okay, full speed. This ride is number one. Feel the G-force. Hold tight, riders. Here we go.
What is this cycle?
Please hold on tight. Ready to rock. Please stay seated until the ride has fully stopped.
So guys, we are on the stealth, not the stealth bomber, the Super Trooper. I'll get it right one day. But we're putting a request to get it to go backwards, and we think it might have been granted. So we're just gonna see now. Let's go.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
what to call this ride. I don't know if it's a super bob or what, but all I know is this has come from America. Yeah, that's all I know really. But yeah, let's give it a go. We might as well while we're here, so yeah, let's go.
Get ready, ladies and gentlemen. The show is gonna start.
5, 4, 2, 0.
This is actually quite powerful. I didn't think it was all. I don't know if I'm mentally stable for this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Put your hands in the air if you want to go faster.
Oh, God.
Stay seated at all times.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We'll go around again. You know what that means, guys. I didn't realise it was this fast!
Move it. I like to move it. You like to move it. Thank you for riding with us today.
Shiran's back on. This looks very powerful. It looks even powerfuler than Ice Jet. And I don't know how I feel, but we're gonna have to try it. So we're on Shiran's that horn now. We're gonna see what all the hype's about. Let's go. Do it again, but right guys, we're back on space. Let's go. going to be
with us
doing
today.
maybe super jumper. I don't know. We're going to have to see. Or we might even get back on the super trooper. I don't know. But anyway, I'll see you when we get off. Right, we're on super jumper.
Thank you for riding with us today. Thank you for riding with us today.